So, have you ever been to a restaurant where you have ordered something and you want to call a waiter, but they are too busy to hear you and you're just getting irritated? So, for solving that issue, I have created this application on React.js on the front end side and written the APIs on the Django, Python basically. Let me introduce you to this dashboard. Basically, this is admin dashboard for the restaurant manager. If I click on start monitoring, it will show me the number of tables that are available, and if there is any call that would be coming from any of the customer. So customer would be having a scanner on their table. If the customer is going to scan it, it will show them a page something like this. If the customer would click the button, it will tell the customer that the buzzer has been pressed for the table 5. And now if you see, it will start telling table number 5 is calling someone. So once the manager can press this, and it will say stop button. Now I go back to this page and it has stopped. Basically, the bell icon has stopped. Similarly, this was the for table number 5. I have the APIs for other table. Let's say if I am ringing it for the table number 1, it would start speak the same and 5 together. Again, if I'll press the button, okay. So I'm still in a process of enhancing it. Probably would be including more features. Your feedback are important to share your feedbacks.